Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the madness. Welcome back to Family's Hammock. Yep. No matter where I go, seeing some of the aftermath of this hurricane. It's peaceful though. This guy. Really pretty area. I'm gonna see what I can find over here. You gotta watch out for alligators and friggin' snakes in this part of town, this neck of the woods. And giant spiders. We're gonna see, well, find medical waste. Looks like a glove. All these lilies. How pretty is this? So I think I will set up shop. Yuck. Gotta look up, make sure there's no widowmakers up there. It's gonna fall down on me. Like that one. Doesn't look friendly. There's a lot of mysterious people wandering about here. Let's see. She looks good to me. This hammock is the same one that I used in my last video. I'm not gonna use it with the screen. I'm gonna flip it over and do the other side. The ground is wet out here, so just gonna chill out for a little while. I got about a half an hour. Damn it, I'm hammocking. See you guys in about 15, 20 minutes. It's really nice, and I like the fact that this hammock is, you can use it with or without the screen. It is small, but it's big enough. I'm using the Atlas suspension straps. You know, these are just great. Just enjoying the view. There's a jet here, but I guess my phone can't focus into infinity. Moving forward, I will use the bug screen because you definitely have things coming down at you from these trees, and ants will crawl from the tree onto your strap, onto your hammock. Suddenly there's an ant on your head.
I was just trying to make this one a quick one, because I have to actually leave and start breaking down in a couple minutes.
Yeah, it's really, really, really nice. All right, that's about it. Hope you guys like this video as much as I liked making it. It was fun. It was good, relaxing. It's getting a little bit warm. Starting to sweat a little bit, so that's my cue to go. If you guys like this type of stuff, you already know what to do. Do like, subscribe, help us out. Help the hammock community out. Till next time, see you then.